Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Tineco Floor ONE Switch S7. Tineco did send me the sample, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Take a look at this retail box and packaging. It walks us through a lot of the key features on the Floor Switch S7 and a cool graphic showing us the wet-dry vacuum cleaner as well as the cordless vacuum cleaner. You can switch between the two. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's a look at some, but not all of the contents. We have more to look at after this, but this is all we could fit in one frame. So first up, we have our product literature, your typical instruction guide and manual with everything you need to know in multiple languages. They even have your maintenance tips and tricks, all of that good stuff. We can even view our product specs. There's the product specs there. And front and center, they have their customer service and contact information. Next, you'll find the main body for the vacuum. Just one solid tube right there for the cordless vacuum. Moving right along, we have our Tineco branded handle for the wet-dry vac with a lot of different control buttons built right into the handle. Next, you'll see an extra included roller brush for the wet-dry vac. We have 16.9 ounces, 500 milliliters of cleaning solution. We have multiple accessories for the vacuum here. We have a crevice and brush tool. We have a mini roller brush. We have our accessory storage. We have our main brush roller here with LED lights. Take a look at that. With red and blue bristles. The blue are going to be softer, the red are going to be a little bit harder. Take a look at the two wheels there. Get a feel for how this is going to be able to move and pivot while you're vacuuming. Next, we have an extra filter for the wet-dry vac. This is washable and reusable. We have a Tineco branded cleaning tool and brush. We have a transparent cover that's going to be installed on our charging, washing, cleaning, drying station right here. So get a feel for that. Charging contacts up top. See it from all different sides and angles. It does have an integrated power cord and cable plugged directly into the bottom side. Show you that right here. So that's where the cable plugs in. We do have a channel here so we can have it routed out. And then this is where our accessories are going to be able to attach to that. It just snaps right in and it'll look just like this. And this when your vacuum's assembled. Moving right along, we have our cordless vacuum cleaner handheld unit. So this is going to be the main head. Right here looking at the side profile, we have our max indicator letting us know when the dustbin's full. Trigger right there. Press and hold to release so we can swap out the battery and motor between the two units. Here's a look from the back side. Eco and Max options right there for you. Here's a look at the other side. Here's a look at it front on with the Tineco logo and branding and where we connect the rest of the vacuum here. Here's a look at it from the very bottom. And you'll notice on this side we can press to release to empty out the dustbin and we can remove the filter to clean and maintain as needed. And lastly, we have the main wet-dry vac unit right here. Tineco logo and branding. We have our dirty water tank here. Clearly labeled on the side, the tank has our max indicator line here letting us know when it's time to empty. Here's that removable and washable filter. One's already included, and we have that extra one we already looked at. And then we can pull this out to easily empty, wash, and clean. Moving further down on the unit, you'll see our main brush roller right here with the Tineco logo and branding. We can press this to release, to remove, to easily swap out, clean, and change as needed. From the side, you get a better feel of the two drive wheels that we have here. And we have our Float Tech branding right there on the side. And you can see the dirty water tank. And you'll see our main battery and motor that's removable right here at the top. We just press that and then it pops right out. So we can swap that between the cordless vacuum cleaner and the wet-dry vac. Here's a look at the other side. That's where you're able to see the dirty water tank max line there. Our second identical drive wheel. The other side of a removable battery and motor. Now we're on to the back side of the unit with our clean water tank right here that easily comes out. We have instructions for filling up with tap water. Don't exceed 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Use Tineco solution only. Here's the spout where we can fill everything up. And I like this design because it can fit right under a sink. It's not this tall, right? So it's going to make it horizontal and easier to fit in more places to add your clean water. Great design there. And there's a look with it removed. Then we can snap it right back in place. We can press and hold to pull out the handle if we ever need to remove that. We have a handle release right there. And then at the bottom, we have smooth power branding for the 2 drive wheels there. And now from the very bottom, main brush roller, 2 additional wheels, our 2 main drive wheels, some additional product info there. And then down here in the white portion of the body, we have our charging contacts.